Here's the tree we're taking down. It's a popple. Smooth. I got my lanyard in on a choke. It's going to go over in this direction to the snatch block, and then the snatch block to the truck. I guess, here we go. Oh man. And these spurs are going in. Am I there yet? Oh, I love being sick and climbing trees. Oh, pain in the butt. That'll work. Nice and roddy. Alright, first cut. Let's see what happens. Yeah, first cut. Whoa. Hung up already. Here we go. Look like a charm. Now I'm above this branch here, which I don't think I would stand on that more than about 3 feet out. But because this is here, I don't need to bite. And you know what? Maybe we just leave this guy here. We'll just go up a bit more. Say that far. And tie this. Here we go. And always good. Got a steel 38 kilonewton Oxan. Here we go. I'm going back down now. Mike, you could go ahead and start setting up. This thing moves a lot. I don't know how you guys out west go up 140 feet. Those trees that sway like 20, 30 feet way up there, but holy hell. I think that looks right. Yeah, pull the loose end. There you go. Yep, that's good. Okay. You're moving me. Said you're moving me already.
Well, that's good, right?
Yeah, right. Okay. I'm going to put a face cut in it. did it? Okay, I want you to put a little bit of pressure on it. Go real slow. Good. Hold it right there. Okay, pull. Beautiful.